titties, booty bounce.
Damn, mommy. It's so good out today. We're going to church today, so I feel good. So I'm back. It went so quick. I woke up. My mom woke me up at like 8, 10ish, 8 something. I don't know. And then we had to leave at like 8:50, something like that. So we just went to church, came back, and now I'm home. And I think I'm gonna make the brownies today that I bought yesterday. And yeah, I'm just taking off my shoes. And I still have my pineapples. I didn't even eat it last night. So, something else to do. I really want those brownies to come out good. Because, I don't know, I've been craving chocolate. So, that's what's up. My mom's making some baked mac and cheese. It's in the oven. Fully done yet. So, I don't know. So I just uploaded the vlog from yesterday. Like, I'm done editing. So, yeah. So, but, yeah, I'm about to chill now. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I didn't finish that movie from yesterday. So I might do that. I fell asleep on it. I was like gone. I don't even know why I fell asleep because it was so funny. It was so funny. Oh my God, I need to finish it. But yeah, that's what's going on. I was thinking of still eating these darn pineapples, bro. I just need to stop talking about these pineapples. Because when I was editing, I was like, pineapple, pineapple, pineapple. It was getting me annoyed. But, you know, what's going on? I don't know what to say. I don't think the mac and cheese is done yet. So, that's what's going on. Right when I uploaded, one of you guys commented first. So, they asked for a shout out. So, I'm going to put their little shout out right here. I think it was Destiny Packer, I believe. Not Parker. I don't know. Packer. I don't really remember, but thanks to you. You're the first one, so thank you. Oh my God. So there's a shout out. Oh, if you guys want shout outs, just make sure you have your post notification on and that you're subscribed. Also, I usually put like comments down in the description to put which emoji to put on in the comment section. So that's another way to get a shout out. So yeah, it's been like, I don't know, like 2 hours later, something like that, 1 hour later, I don't know. But I'm basically just sitting here watching YouTube. I'm watching Haley Pam, or however you say it. I'm new to her channel. So, and she's moving out at 17 years old. I think that's amazing. But yeah, that's what I'm watching. Dinner's not done yet. I believe I said that in the last clip. So if I said it, sure, whatever. Okay, don't mind my screen.
I've fallen and I can't get up.
Don't mind my screen, okay? Just it's going through something. But I'm watching Haley Pam, and she is just amazing. This one says why I move out at 17. She also has a vlogging channel. I watch her vlog channel. It's amazing. I just love how she does everything. And this is her channel. I love her. She's amazing. After I eat my dinner, I'm gonna go ahead and start making the brownies because it just takes time for me to just get everything together, wash everything after and stuff. So I know it's gonna take like time. It's already like 3:20, something like that. So yeah. And then we can just start making some brownies. I'm excited for these brownies. Like, they need to taste good. Like, but yeah, that's what's going on right now. I have school tomorrow. Ew, oh my gosh. But I'm thinking of doing another playlist video on my channel. So like maybe after this vlog will be a playlist type of thing. Okay, so it is the next day and that playlist did not happen. It is 9:30 at night. I'm not doing a playlist and it's dark, so sorry about that. I lied, but I'll do the playlist later because I got new songs to jam out to, but that's for tomorrow. And I think that's pretty much it I got going on. Next clip would probably be me getting my brownies on. Guys, okay, so obviously I didn't go make my Oreos, but look, they look, they smell, look amazing. They have a lot of juice, and my cats are looking at me like it's something for them, but it's not. So I had this big old cup of coffee this morning. Maybe that's why I'm just so like hyper and stuff. Because I usually don't. I woke up at like 8 something. I'm usually like tired. And I just stepped on cat's throw up. So, you know, everything's fine.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Fine. Say, and then I'm broken piece because my daddy. Yeah, look at that. I made that. I'm just, no, I didn't. Big fan of chicken. And look, it's my cat. So cute. She knows exactly what I'm doing every time I look, film her. All right, let's see what we're making today. Well, after I eat, I'm making this. But I don't have like a square pan. I have round pans, so is that gonna be a problem? This is family size too. What? But it's easy to make. All you need is these ingredients and like you're done. But that will be after. This whole day been me waiting to go make my brownies and freaking talking about food. Now I'm finally about to go do it. And I'm just so happy. So I can stop talking about it. Aren't you guys? I'm so talking about food. I only have circle pans and I don't believe that this is gonna be like deep enough. So I might have to use both of them to make like 2 batches of, oh, I mean, 2 batches of brownies over there. It's holding my little charger because I don't want it to fall over the edge. But yeah, I feel like that'll be it because I feel like there's a lot in here. And after I add all of this, it's going, you guys see my knowledge here. I don't have a square pan. So that's just the moral of the story. I'll get my tripod so I can like, you know, put this on a mount so I'm not like holding my phone all the time because I know my hands are gonna get dirty. So I'm just gonna, you know, get my tripod and yeah. Drugs, we got the drugs. Okay, not drugs. Okay, as it says here, it says empty brownie mix eggs, water, and oil in a large bowl. Stir until blended, about 50 strokes. And then grease the pan, all that other stuff. I already have the pan, what's that called? stove preheated, so we're good there. But I'm about to get this going. Don't rip the bag, don't rip the bag, don't rip the bag.
I've fallen and I can't get up.
All right. Well, that smells amazing. I assume it's supposed to be this thick because I don't know. I just assumed that it's supposed to be that thick because I put literally everything in here and it's just hella thick. Okay. So I'm about to separate these into two, maybe. If I'll see how the other one fits, then I'll see. Okay. Man, we're about to just get some brownies. So since these pans are non-stick, I don't have like the spray and stuff, but I might just butter a little bit, but it's non-stick pans, so I don't think there'll be a problem, but just in case, I'm just gonna go over with the butter and see how it goes. And then, yeah, I'm excited. I'm going to put this in the oven. Yeah, I only used one pan, so I buttered this for nothing. Leave it in for like 30 minutes. We are done. I stuck the toothpick in it. It came out clear. Well, kind of clear. It just came out that stuff, but yeah. I think we did a good old job, man. I can't wait to taste it. Oh, this brownie, bro. The best brownie. Y'all want some? I'm sorry. That, oh my god, that was so good. Oh my god. I just got done with the longest shower. Well, not longest, but a shower. And I'm about to end my night here and go to sleep. I got school tomorrow. There's still like water on my neck if you guys was wondering. Yeah, those brownies were amazing. I'm just ready to go to sleep and get this week started so I can get back to the weekend. But yeah, I hope you guys liked these two vlogs that I did this weekend. I liked doing it. I don't know if you guys liked it, but I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.